Hello! Today I am making cool water soap. It is water themed with Raindrop Embeds and a drop swirl technique with 3 different blues. The fragrance is a cool water for men dupe from Wholesale Supplies Plus. I think this soap is fitting for going into spring when everything outside is just a little bit wet. Actually, here it's supposed to be snowing and freezing, but it's not. I think Mr. Groundhog got it wrong. Spring looks like it's coming early. I'm actually a little bit worried because it can be wintry here in Eastern Oregon through May. We have a long ways to go yet. So folks, please enjoy cool water soap today from LauriLin Designs. Remember, great soap doesn't have to be boring. Bye-bye!